Yeah, hi, my name is Trond. I'm originally from Norway. I moved here almost 8 years ago with my now ex-wife and our 2 children. I like being in nature, like to travel, see new places within the US and other countries, go to the gym a lot. Did some martial arts, but too old for that now. Me and my wife, ex-wife, moved here almost 8 years ago, and pretty much as soon as we were situated, we were already planning to divorce, but things got heated pretty fast and a lot of conflict. So the second I moved out, pretty much got served with the divorce papers, and there were some allegations that were completely whack, which made me really nervous, and I was planning on going, pro per, not really knowing what that entailed, but once these allegations came, I realized I needed an attorney to help me navigate the system, because coming from Norway, I'm not very familiar with divorce court at all. It's not common there. I got a recommendation from a friend on Facebook, actually, that recommended to do a free consult with Debbie, and so I did, and we immediately clicked. I could tell she totally understood where I was coming from and what I was up against, and immediately started giving me good advice on how to behave and how to sort of process it emotionally as well. She's a very approachable person, very easy to talk to, and I could tell right away that she was the one I wanted to have me help me with this. When I moved out from the home we shared with the kids, both me and children were used to seeing each other every day. I always would drive them to school and pick them up, and suddenly my ex-wife started these allegations that, that I had been abusive towards her and the children, which is absolutely ridiculous. And so then she refused me to see the children for a long period of time. So I was, of course, absolutely heartbroken, not from just missing them, but also knowing how they felt and how confused they were, and it made absolutely no sense to them. Talking to Debbie, she gave me, confidence that she would be able to take care of the situation. Like, it would take time, but it would be easy. Working with Debbie, she would always get back to me the same day, normally within, the hour. Always available, always taking her time. Even when she was busy, she would still, send me a text response and just say, I'm in court right now in a case, so I'll get back to you later, but don't worry. Her team, her legal team's been amazing. They've always, when she's in court, they would respond on her behalf, and just so nice and friendly and helpful. They would always act professionally and polite, no matter what they were receiving from the other end. I'm so grateful for Debbie and Katie as well, her paralegal. Since the divorce, I've had 50% parenting time, which is, all I wanted. And she also was able to get me final decision-making tiebreaker, so that if we disagree on matters such as schooling or travel or medical care, I have the final say-so. That was amazing to have. So getting these things achieved took away all that fear and frustration and sadness from both me and the children. It's been great to see how the children, going from being anxious and upset, now, despite it all, are functioning like normal children, and they're happy, and I get to take them to Norway, which they love. I saw another testimony with a guy in a similar situation to myself, and I just started bawling because it was so spot on. So I know I'm not the only one going through these things. The best thing that's ever happened to me is getting that help, because being in that desperate situation where you don't have access to your children and they're longing to spend time with you, there's no way I could have managed to navigate that situation myself. So just reach out and get that free consultation, see how you feel about it. I would definitely recommend Genesis Legal Group to anyone going through a divorce, or especially a child custody case.